Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to download images from Google to Gallery. Head over to your Chrome browser, and then here search for any sort of picture you want. Suppose I'm searching for Dodo or the cat, Dodo cat, and go to the images section. And here goes the pictures of Dodo the cat. And then just select any picture. Suppose I am selecting this one. And once I select it, just keep tapped on it. And there comes a layout with open image in new tab, or preview image, or download image. As we want to download our image, just tap on download image. And the file is downloaded. Click on open. And here you can see the image is downloaded of Dodo. Then head over to your gallery. Once you're there, you will be able to see the picture of once you're there, you can able to see the picture I just downloaded, and you can do it too with your own Android device. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.